Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use your LLC, and we will begin by understanding crucial initial steps. Your limited liability company offers vital protection and flexibility for your business operations. However, maximizing its benefits requires diligent management from day one. We will explore setting up your financial foundation, maintaining compliance, and understanding key tax considerations. Properly utilizing your LLC ensures its legal standing and your personal asset protection. Establishing clear financial boundaries is paramount for your LLC's integrity. Immediately open a separate business bank account to manage all income and expenditures. You should also secure a distinct employer identification number, which functions like a social security number for your business. Furthermore, acquire a business credit card to maintain clear records of all company-related purchases, never mixing personal and business funds. This separation is fundamental to protecting your personal assets from business liabilities. Ongoing compliance is crucial for maintaining your LLC's legal standing and protecting your limited liability. Ensure your operating agreement is current, outlining member responsibilities and profit distributions. Most states require annual reports, which keep your company information updated with regulatory bodies. Additionally, diligently record all major business decisions, even if you are the sole owner, to document proper corporate governance. Consistent record keeping reinforces your LLC's legitimate operation. One of the most powerful features of an LLC is its flexibility in tax treatment. By default, it operates as a pass-through entity, avoiding double taxation. You can elect to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or even as an S-corporation. An S-corporation election might significantly reduce your self-employment taxes, depending on your income. Always consult a knowledgeable tax professional to navigate these options and ensure you select the most advantageous structure for your specific business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.